All right, everybody. This is from a pal, Kilomonster. Come on. He won a one-of-one Jason Castro, which is pretty cool, from Letterman. And then he bought 2 boxes. So, let's see what we can get him here. There should be at least 4 hits in both boxes. A lot of times you do get extra hits in here. We haven't had a lot of extra hits tonight. A couple. But, let's see if we can get him here. Yes, sir. Dr. Green just sent me a text message as a picture of his pen. Okay, moving on. See? It's got the baby monitor in the background. Ah, that's awesome. He says he's sending me a box. Oh, that's great. All right, Fernando Perez. Fernando Perez for the Rays. Outfielder. He was up for a while. And Matt Tuiasosopo. That's the dude that hooked up Manti Te'o with the fake girlfriend. Matt Tuiasosopo. He's actually, he was up, what, the end of last year, right? I remember he was playing well, let's be honest with you. Oh, I can. I am thoroughly enjoying a drunk Dr. Green. All right, Cody Buckle. Cody Buckle, Rangers, right? Rangers pitcher. And Trevor Bauer Power. Trevor Bauer Power Relic. Kevin Gassman. Corey Hahn. Ricky Romero rookie. Brad Bergenson. Alcides Escobar. Drew Pomeranz. Colton Wong, USA. Cody Buckle, dual relic to $4.99. Just in case the single relic wasn't good enough for you. Now you got a dual to go with it. Grady Sizemore. USA Auto, Rick Haig. Rick Haig to $3.99. Nick Castellanos, USA. Manny Machado. No, not yet. Not yet. Andy Wilkinson. A relic. Andy Wilkinson. Christian Colon, USA. I'm figuring at least 2 weeks to bust them. Oh, that's a nice one. Kevin Gassman. Kevin Gassman, USA Auto. Nice card. King Felix. Alright, guys. So we did okay. 2 decent boxes. So you have Kevin Gassman, nice USA Auto. Andy Wilkins, Manny Machado, USA insert. Rick Haig to $3.99 USA. Cody Buckle dual. Trevor Bauer Power. Cody Buckle. Matt Tuiasa Sopo. And Fernando Perez with the Rays. He's a Ray. Or he was. Ever so briefly. Alright guys, so that is Kilo Monsters. 2-box break.